Welcome back, guys. In today's video, we're conducting an in-depth review of Erpnext, and that's a comprehensive, open-source enterprise resource planning solution. We'll explore its features, functionality, and how it can streamline your business operations. Erpnext is designed to integrate and manage various business processes within a single platform. Its modular architecture encompasses a wide range of applications, including accounting, inventory management, customer relationship management, human resources, and more. This interconnected structure ensures seamless data flow across departments, providing a holistic view of your organization's operations. One of Erpnext's standout features is its high degree of customization. Users can tailor forms by adding custom fields, modify workflows to align with specific business processes, and integrate third-party applications to enhance functionality. This flexibility allows businesses to adapt Erpnext to their unique requirements without extensive coding. The platform boasts a user-friendly interface, making navigation intuitive even for those new to ERP systems. Its web-based design ensures accessibility across various devices, enabling teams to collaborate effectively from pretty much anywhere. The dashboard provides real-time insights into key performance indicators, facilitating informed decision-making. Erpnext offers robust support through comprehensive documentation and an active user community. Users can access detailed guides, participate in forums, and contribute to the platform's ongoing development. This collaborative environment fosters continuous improvement and knowledge sharing among users worldwide. In conclusion, Erpnext presents a versatile and customizable ERP solution suitable for businesses of all sizes. Its modular design, user-friendly interface, and strong community support make it a compelling choice for organizations seeking to streamline operations and enhance productivity. If you're considering implementing an ERP system, Erpnext is certainly worth exploring. Thank you guys for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.